Hey, to download live wallpapers for free on the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, first of all, you have to open the settings, then you have to scroll down and go to the themes, and right here you have to go to the wallpapers and tap on the right upper corner and type animated or live. And as you can see here, we can find the wallpapers. For example, let's try this free wallpaper, and if you want to take a look how it looks, okay, this one is actually not live. So let's try, for example, this one. If you want to take a look for the preview, just click on this YouTube button, and here you can find some preview, how it looks. That's the animated wallpaper, and there's also a couple of the different wallpapers. For example, this one. So yeah, right now we can click download and you will be able to use it on the S23 FE. And right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all, bye!